Casting refers to the process of converting a value from one type to another. This can be done between compatible types, such as from an int to a double, or between reference types, provided that the types are related, for example, from a base class type to a derived class type. There are two primary types of casting: implicit casting and explicit casting. Implicit casting occurs when a conversion is safe and does not result in data loss. The C# compiler automatically performs the conversion. Explicit casting is required when a conversion might result in data loss or when the compiler does not perform the conversion automatically. The target type must be specified using parentheses. In addition to implicit and explicit casting, C# provides several other methods for type conversion, including the convert class, the isOperator, and the isOperator.